this problem is an application of double angle. We have double angle using sine, cosine, and tangent. So let's just write the formula, then we will determine what we need. Sine of 2 theta is 2 sine cosine, right? The cosine 2 theta. There will be quite a few things. We can say cosine square minus sine square, or there are two more, but let's just use that. And C for tangent of 2 theta, we also have the double angle for tangent, but let's just use the quotient identity and we say tangent is sine over cosine. We'll get back and find those values later. What we need is a values of theta, sine theta, and cosine of theta. We know sine of theta already. Just need to find cosine. There are a lot of ways to do this. We can use the right triangle. Just go over that quickly. I'm not going to use that, but so we say sine is opposite over hypotenuse, and then we go from there. We find adjacent, and then we find cosine. Right. I'm using Pythagorean identity instead. We will have sine square plus cosine square is 1. So we have sine square negative 5 over 13 square plus cosine square equal to 1. And that will be 25 over 169 plus cosine square equal to 1. Subtract that on both sides, we have cosine of theta, cosine square is equal to 144 over 169. Taking the square root on both sides, we should have cosine theta equal plus or minus square root of 144 over 169 will be plus or minus 12 over 13. Right, then we just need to determine the quadrant. It is given that it is in quadrant 3. Now in quadrant 3, the x value is negative, the y value is negative, and the cosine will be negative. So we have cosine theta is negative 12 over 13. Right. And when we have that, we just substitute it back in, and we will have sine of 2 theta is 2 times sine will be that, and cosine is that. So multiply straight across. 12 times 5 will be 60 times 2, 120 over 169. Next, we have cosine square minus sine square. So look like we still have 169, and we have 144 on the top. Minus 25. So we will have 119 over 169. And then tangent sine 2 theta, which is 120 over 169 divided by 119, 169. Multiply reciprocal, we should have 120 over 119. And we just that. So when we have a double angle, we just expand, and then in this case we have sine, cosine. We have sine already, we just need to find cosine. And we have the Pythagorean identity. When we know one of the sine, cosine, we can find the other. The quadrant will give us the sign of the trig function. Put all together, and that's what we have.